Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the footer from Shopify. Ever wanted to showcase only your branding and remove the Powered by Shopify from the footer of your online store? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Find the theme that you want to edit. Once you've located it, click on the three dots next to it. This will open up a drop down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Default Theme Content. This is where the magic happens. In the Filter Items box, type in Powered if this is your first time changing this text. This will help you quickly locate the Powered by Shopify box. Once you've found the Powered by Shopify box, use the spacebar on your keyboard to type a single space. That's it. Your branding and only your branding will now be displayed in the footer. Before you wrap things up, don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Powered by Shopify from the footer of your online store, giving it that personalized touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and stay tuned for our next tutorial. And thanks for watching.